Good morning, sir. I'm Arlene Piemonte. I decided to pass operation management. I believe I should pass the and the management subject because throughout the course, I have demonstrated genuine effort, consistent and participation, and a clear understanding of the core concept of the subject. I have not only complied with the requirements given, but I have also applied the lesson to real situation, showing that knowledge I gain. Operation management taught me the important principles such as process analysis, productivity improvement, quality management, supply chains coordination, and decision making. This lesson have helped me analytical thinking and problem-solving skills, which I constantly shown in my quizzes, activities, and outputs, even tasks were clinging in. I'm too sure to complete. So I believe that passing the subject is aligned with my overall academic performance and commitment. I show up participated, asked question, and worked to understanding the topic. My behavior and attitude reflect that I respect the course and also the instructor. I value learning process and never took this subject lightly. Most important, the knowledge I gain and essential in my future career, especially in fields related to business, entrepreneurship, and management. Passing this subject will not only recognize my hard work, but will also support my growth as a student who is prepared for real world responsibilities. So that's all, and thank you. God bless pa.